Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to add story effects on Instagram. Now, if you want to make a story, you click on the plus button on the bottom here. Once you do that, you can scroll on the right to go into story mode. Now, what are story effects? Now, these are filters that you can add to your story in real time. So when you record the video or click a picture, the effect is added. Now, you will see that beside the shutter button, there are all these effects that you can choose from. This is the one that I like. So this is the weather effect. Once you're happy with the version of the effect that you want, you can long press and the video gets taken. And yeah, you can save this or post this as it is, or do some more fine tuning that you would prefer. Now, if you want to add new effects which are not available directly in your effects tab, you can scroll all the way to the right and see an option where you can browse for effects. Just click on this and you can browse all the effects that are available on Instagram. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add story effects on Instagram. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.